Hi, I'm Gina Vogt with 3D Molecular Designs. Today, we're going to base pair and build your dynamic DNA model and practice twisting and untwisting your model. The A nucleotide will base pair with the T. Join them together by using the magnets only. Posts are not involved in base pairing with this. If they don't quite fit, just give them a little tug and the magnets will lock into place. G will base pair with a C. And again, magnets only, no posts are involved in this. Once you have your base pairs assembled, you can link those base pairs together to begin construction of the DNA model. In this case, you're going to want to connect a phosphate on one base pair with a sugar on the second base pair. Again, you're using magnets when you do this connection. Same base pair, but this time the sugar will connect to the other base pair's phosphate. And now you've connected two base pairs together. It's at this point the students can begin to explore the dynamic nature of DNA by giving a little bit of a twist to this, and they can see that there is some motion that is occurring there. To see even greater motion, we suggest that you have your groups combine their base pairs into either 4 groups or 6. We'll demonstrate 6 in this video. Once again, you want to connect the phosphate to the sugar using only magnets and the sugar to the phosphate. We now have a 6 base pair set of dynamic DNA nucleotides. It's time to twist. That's the fun part with this. Make sure that on one end at least, you have a GC base pair. There are 3 hydrogen bonds there that will help to stabilize that model. So you can grab it by the nitrogen bases and then just gently twist. So you will get that twisting motion and you'll be able to see some grooves forming then. If your students fail to grab it by this and maybe they grab the model like so, it might come apart. And so just tell them to readjust their grip on this, and then they should be able to see again that dynamic nature that occurs. If you have the 12 base pair set, you can bring in the next one and once again join your sugar to the phosphate and your phosphate to the sugar. And we have a lovely 12 base pair set here. Here's when we can start to really pay attention to the anti-parallel nature, and we can use those caps that are provided in your kit. So we have 2 white hydrogen caps and 2 red oxygen caps. So on the sugar side, we can complete that sugar by adding a hydrogen. And then diagonally and opposite, we add that hydrogen to the other sugar. Likewise, we can cap the phosphate. And then diagonal and opposite, we cap the other phosphate. So we have, again, that anti-parallel nature that's here. To disassemble, to take your model apart, we suggest that you break the hydrogen bonds and then pull each nucleotide off separately. Break the hydrogen bonds, pull the nucleotide off. And then the students can practice base pairing once again. Thanks for watching. Find more assembly instructions at dynamicdnakit.com.